Forgive and forget. Hindi ako naniniwala dito eh. Sabi kasi nila, enable for you to have peace and for you to move forward, kailangan mong patawarin yung tao. Depende kasi siya para sa akin. Kasi anong level ba yung sakit na binigay niya sa'yo? Paulit-ulit niya bang ginawa to sa'yo? And anong klaseng sakit yung ginawa niya sa'yo? Kasi minsan, pinipilit natin na patawarin yung isang tao and like to be in good terms with someone, which is wala naman talagang masama doon. Pero at the same time, you can always move forward without doing those stuff. Like, hindi siya required gawin. Kasi minsan, kapag sobra-sobra yung binigay niya sa'yo, and for you to forgive him and to allow him again to have access in your life, it's like telling them na, oh, okay lang, sige, ulitin nyo pa, saktan nyo pa ako ulit. So yun, para sa akin, you can still move forward without doing those stuff. Hindi mo kailangan makinig sa lahat ng tao na ganun dapat yung kailangan mong gawin if you feel like that's not the thing that you need to do. Or maybe, it's not about forgetting and forgiving that person. Baka ang kailangan mong patawarin and i-forgive is yung sarili mo for accepting the kind of treatment and the kind of love that you don't deserve.